Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're talking about the best return on investment, not in stocks, but in the things you buy once and benefit from for years. These are intentional purchases that boost your productivity, save you money, and improve your quality of life. I've narrowed it down to 15 one-time buys that deliver serious long-term value. If you want to make smarter investments in your daily life, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. First up, a high-quality mattress. We spend a third of our lives sleeping, and good sleep is the foundation for energy, focus, and health. A great mattress means better rest, higher productivity, and fewer aches, making every day easier. Don't skimp here. It's an investment in your well-being. Buy once, sleep better for years. Next, a comfortable, ergonomic office chair. If you work at a desk, this is essential. A quality chair supports your posture, reduces fatigue, and keeps you focused. Brands like Herman Miller or Steelcase are worth the upfront cost for years of comfort. You're not just buying a chair, you're investing in your health and productivity. Over time, it pays for itself. Third, noise-canceling headphones. In a world full of distractions, focus is everything. These headphones create a bubble of silence, letting you dive deep into work or relax anywhere. They're essential for productivity and peace of mind, a must-have tool for any modern professional. Number 4, a quality kitchen knife set. Cooking with dull knives is frustrating and unsafe. A sharp, balanced knife makes prep work faster, safer, and more enjoyable. You'll cook more at home, eat healthier, and save money. A good knife set can last a lifetime. For travelers, premium luggage is a game changer. Durable, well-designed suitcases protect your belongings and make travel smoother. Some brands even offer lifetime warranties. Buy once, travel stress-free for years. It's peace of mind on every trip. A reliable toolkit empowers you to handle small repairs yourself. With the right tools, you save money and time, and gain independence. A quality set lasts decades and pays for itself every time you fix something. It's a simple investment in self-reliance. A well-tailored suit or blazer is your secret weapon for big moments. One classic, high-quality option boosts your confidence and leaves a lasting impression. It's not about quantity, just one great piece you can rely on. Look sharp, feel sharp, succeed. Invest in durable, supportive footwear. Your feet are your foundation. Good shoes prevent pain, improve posture, and last for years, saving you money and discomfort. Many styles can be resoled, extending their life even further. Comfort and health start from the ground up. For creators and professionals, solid camera or audio gear elevates your content and communication. High-quality equipment makes your work look and sound professional. It's an investment in your brand and memories. Stand out and capture life with clarity. A paper shredder protects your personal information from identity theft. Destroy sensitive documents quickly and securely. It's a small, one-time purchase for major peace of mind. Secure your data, declutter your space. Safety first, a fire extinguisher and first aid kit are must-haves. They're one-time buys that can save your property, health, or even your life. Be prepared for emergencies. The ROI is priceless. Protect yourself and your loved ones. A water filtration system improves your health, saves money, and reduces plastic waste. Clean water on demand beats buying bottled water every time. It's a simple upgrade with a big impact. Better for you, your wallet, and the planet. Cast iron cookware is the ultimate buy-it-for-life kitchen tool. It's versatile, nearly indestructible, and gets better with age. One skillet can replace years of flimsy pans. Invest once, cook better forever. Protect your digital life with an external hard drive or cloud storage. Back up your data to avoid devastating losses. The cost is tiny compared to losing irreplaceable files. It's your digital insurance policy. A quality electric toothbrush means better dental health and fewer expensive procedures. It ensures a thorough clean every time, protecting your smile and your wallet. Small daily investment, big long-term payoff. Your dentist will thank you. There you have it, 15 one-time purchases that pay you back for years. The key is intentionality. Focus on long-term value, not just short-term cost. These investments build a foundation for a more productive, comfortable, and resilient life. Buy less, but buy better. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more ways to level up your life and business. Thanks for watching. See you next time.